Even if you think your floors are clean, they're not. You need to get this DReAME G10. Hey guys, so this is the DReAME G10 mop, if you will, electric mop. And this is the charging base right here. Real cool, sleek design for when you're auto cleaning it. It does have the charging port right in the back, slides right on. And as you can see, it's already charged, so that we'll get ready to use it in just a second. We'll fill the water up, and then you're gonna put a cap full of whatever type of floor cleaner that you're gonna use. Get super close. And I'm not mopping, I'm just vacuuming. Just mopping right now. That's dirty. That was just that little bit of floor right there. And all the trash right there. Oh, that's gross. How was there that much on the floor?